Now that we have gone through the core concepts of animation, text effects, and layer management in After Effects, let's put in all together in a fun and useful mini project, creating an animated lower third. A lower third is a graphic element that usually appears at the bottom of a video screen to provide additional information, just like a person's name, job title, or location. You might have probably seen them often in news reports or interviews and YouTube videos. Today we will design one from scratch and animate it using the tools you have learned so far. So now let's start by creating a new composition. Go to composition, click on new composition, or just press Ctrl plus N on keyboard or Command plus N if you are using Mac. So let's rename this something clear, lower third animation. We can proceed with the previous settings like 1920 by 1080 pixels for HD resolution. Frame rate, let it be 30 seconds per second. Duration, I'll keep it 10 seconds, which will give us plenty of time to animate our elements. Click on OK. You'll see a fresh empty timeline ready to go. Next up is grab the rectangle tool from the top toolbar. It might be hidden under the shape tools if you have used other shapes recently. Click and drag to see other tools as well. Select the rectangle tool. Now click and drag to draw a horizontal bar near the bottom left corner of the composition. Let's change the fill color to something dark. Depending upon your theme. As of now, we don't need any stroke. Rename the layer to something like background bar. I'll change the anchor point as well. So our background is ready for lower third. Now let's animate the background bar so it slides in from the left side of the screen. With the bar selected, press P on the keyboard to bring up the position property and go to 0 seconds on the timeline. Bring the bar outside the frame and click the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe and come around 1 second. And in align button, you can just click on align left. It will create second keyframe for us. Now let's play and see the animation. Select both the keyframe, right click, go to keyframe assistant and easy ease. So our smooth animation for background bar is ready. Next, grab the text tool or just press T on the keyboard and start typing any name. I'll type Jane Doe. Pick a clean readable font, something professional like Montserrat, Roboto or Helvetica. Adjust the size. Now let's animate this around 0.5 seconds. Bring the text layer to out of the frame. Click P on the keyboard to open position property, and around 1.5 second bring in. Do the same for these keyframes as well. Now let's add another text layer below the name. Use a smaller font size, lighter weight to create visual hierarchy. Type something like designation. I'll type senior graphic designer. I'll select the size to 32. I'll change the color to white. Make it regular. Now let's animate this. At around 1 second. Bring the subtitle text to out of the frame. Add a keyframe. And around 1.5 or at 2 seconds. Bring it into the frame. Easy is the keyframes. Now let's play and preview. Now to keep things neat and easy to animate together, select all 3 layers. The bar, the name and the subtitle. Then right click and click pre-compose. Let's rename this to lower third group. Click on OK. Now we have a single clean layer on your timeline that you can control as one project. Let's add a fade in effect to the group. Go to 0 seconds. Click T on the keyboard to open opacity property. add a keyframe, and around at 1 second, add another keyframe, and again go to 0 and make the value to 0%. Select both the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease. Now we have entire lower third gently fades in as it slides in into the animation. The background bar looks too big. You can adjust it by resizing it. Just go to pre-compose, select this bar, and you can just easily resize it. Let's turn on motion blur for this layer and enable the motion blur toggle at the top of the timeline panel. Now you can just preview and check everything. Just hit spacebar to preview everything. Bar slides in, name follows, and subtitle completes the reveal. And the whole group fades in beautifully with a nice motion blur. You can even tweak the colors if you want, and timing or fonts to match your brand style or project needs. And there you have it, a clean animated lower third built entirely from scratch in After Effects. This is a versatile and reusable element that you can customize for interviews or tutorials, business videos, or even personal projects. You can also export it with transparency. We'll cover exporting later, so you can overlay it on any future videos you create. So great job sticking with this mini project. You have just taken another step towards mastering motion design in After Effects.